Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today's video is going to be a hair review video, and this hair I'm going to be reviewing today is from Cranberry Hair. I have actually worked with Cranberry Hair before. They have one of the best hairs, and they sent me their 26 inches deep wavy 5x5 closure wig. And this is the wig. I want to show you guys really soon. This is a deep wave hair, but let me quickly show you guys the other things that came with the wig. This wig came with some really cute eyelashes, cranberry eyelashes. It also came with this very cute, I think this is like a bonnet, hair bonnet or something. Really nice. I love purple. Purple is one of my favorite colors. It came with a wig cap, and it also came with this small cute cranberry scarf for like tying frontal and all that stuff. Okay, so this is the hair. Like, can you see the curls on this hair? Like, I have not even opened up the hair, but you can see how the curls are already looking juicy. Like, this is the kind of hair like that I like, and Cranberry Hair, trust me, they always come through with really nice and beautiful hairs. Guys, can you see the curls on this hair? Just look at the curls on this hair. This is the lace of the hair. Guys, look at the lace. The lace doesn't really match my skin though, but I'm going to put some foundation, and it has combs inside, and it also has this strap thingy at the back to help to secure your guys. So this is how the hair is looking. This is how the hair is looking. It is 26 inches. So when you pull it, like, this is where the hair is reaching me. So let's get into the installation process. So guys, I went ahead to use some powder on my wig cap because my wig cap did not match my skin, so I had to, like, put some powder on my wig cap, and I also did the same thing for my wig too, so that it can blend well with my skin. Okay, so just try and put some foundation, or you can just use a regular powder on your lace or on your wig cap, whichever one you like to do. And then I went ahead to use some hot comb on the closure parts because I wanted to get out all the hairs that would disturb me from cutting the lace. So I used some hot comb. I first of all put some wax stick, and then I went ahead to use my hot comb, and I put the hair backwards so I can cut the lace. And as you can see in this part of the video, I cut the lace of the wig, and then I went ahead to use got to be spray. You can use any spray that you want to. You can also make use of glue if you want, but I made use of the got to be spray. And you just want to like spray around the perimeter of your head, and allow it to dry a little bit, to be a little bit tacky, and then you place your wig on top. So guys, I went ahead to do some baby hairs. I really didn't want to do baby hairs, but I'm like, okay, let me just do some baby hairs. So I brought out some hair in front, and then I went ahead to use my hot comb so that I can achieve a flat install. And then I later went ahead to cut off the hair, just to do some baby hairs. And then I used some eco styling gel on the baby hair, and then I tied it up with an elastic band just so it can stay in place. So guys, I went ahead to comb up the curls because I wanted to achieve a defined curl on my wig. So I went ahead to like brush out the curls, and then I sprayed the hair with some plain water, and then I added my favorite mousse, which is the Lotta Body Wrap Me body mousse. I added the mousse so as to achieve a defined curls, as you would see in the video. And then I used my brush to like brush up the hair and everything so that I can achieve defined curls.
focus on yourself, on your faith, on your dreams, on your mind, on your health, yeah. You gotta work, never tell, keep your head down, find what you love and excel, yeah. Push and pull and repel any hate, go create what you want, feel compelled, yeah. And once you finally get a taste of the race.
So guys, this is the finished look of the hair. You can see how, oh my god, this hair is so beautiful. Like guys, this hair is so beautiful, and I really love the length of this hair. This hair is 26 inches, so it is almost getting to my waist, and this hair is like 70% dry. It is not completely dry. So if you're a girl and you're watching me right now, and you know you don't really like frontal wigs, you know you don't like stressing yourself doing all that frontal stuff, laying the edges of your frontal, you can just place your order for this beautiful wig. You can see from the video that I didn't even really do too much. I just like added small got to bead glue on the closure part, you know, use my hot comb and all that stuff. So if you're a girl and you're watching me and you don't like frontal wigs, then this wig is something that you should get, because just look at the curls now. Can you see the curls on this hair? Cranberry hair, like y'all are the absolute best. Like y'all always deliver beautiful wigs. Guys, look at the back of this hair. Can you see the back of the hair? Can you see how beautiful this hair is? The curls are so nice, everything is just popping. Let's look at the closure part. You can see that it is giving frontal. Like if I did not tell you that this hair is closure, I'm pretty sure you think it's frontal. Look at it, you can see how beautiful it is. Like I really didn't even do too much. I love, like, one thing I love about this hair is just the curls on the hair. Like, to be honest, look at the curls on this hair. And guys, there's also going to be a discount code for this week, so y'all just make sure you check my description box, because the details, everything is going to be in my description box. I keep seeing your comments, please, how do I buy this wig, how do I buy the wig? Please make sure you check my description box, because the details of this hair is going to be there. So like, you just place your order for this beautiful wig. This wig is so beautiful. Like, this is giving summer vibes. Like, this is like summer vacation Dubai kind of vibes. Okay, so y'all make sure you place your order for this beautiful wig. Thank you guys so much for watching this video today, and I'll see you in my next video. Until then, bye.